Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some very nice conditions in store for the next several days across the area. High pressure will be in control through the end of the week. We won't see any chances of precipitation or lightning for this week. We'll see some slightly breezy winds this morning. They'll start to die down once we move in the afternoon and evening hours, with seeing a gust of 22 knots this morning, but that should be about the peak wind we see today. Across the region, could see a gust of 23 possible next few hours, but overall looking like good conditions for the next several days across the region. A bit chilly for today and tomorrow. Temperatures in the 60s for highs today, with a cool start for tomorrow morning, but overall we'll see much warmer temperatures moving into the region for later this week. Temperatures in the 70s to upper 70s by the end of the week. So taking a look at our current sounding from this morning, freezing level at 1,100 feet. Sierra winds out of the northwest, north-northwesterly component. Throughout the column this morning, seeing our winds increase from about 25 knots at the low levels up to about 55 knots at 20 and 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, clear skies across the region, high pressure in control, and that'll be the case for the next few days. And taking a look at the satellite images this morning, you can see we do have some cloud cover off the coast associated with the northwesterly winds that are cooler across the region, providing those clouds over the ocean, but we're going to see mostly clear skies and mostly sunny skies across our region today, and very nice weather in store. Take a look at the European model for the next few days. You can see high pressure ridging overhead tonight. That'll give us a good radiational cooling night with cold temperatures to start the day, with the lows in the lower 40s along the coast, possibly some upper 30s to mid 30s inland. Moving into our Tuesday afternoon, high pressure starts to ridge off the coast, and really see that warm up once we move into Wednesday, and then the Thursday, and continue into Friday, and then continue into weekend, as we see that high pressure remaining in control with a ridge, upper level ridge off the southeast coast, with this surface high pressure in control of our weather through at least Saturday, possibly seeing a cold front starting to advance towards the region by Sunday. But even then, it looks like this area of high pressure could continue to ridge over the region, giving us much above normal temperatures, especially for the end of the week. So looking at our risk chart for today, as well as our 24-hour terminal forecast, going to see a high today of 63, a low tonight of 42 here at Wallops. Those inland locations could see some upper 30s, possibly some mid 30s in the cooler spots. We're going to see our green chart across the board, seeing those winds gust to 22 knots, so just above what was forecasted as of 8:15 this morning. But overall, going to see those winds in the lower 20s this morning into the early afternoon hours for our gusts, and then starting to decrease once we move into the mid to late afternoon hours. We'll see light winds then less than 5 knots overnight. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, VFR conditions in the next 24 hours. Slight chance we see a little bit of mist across the region or some patchy fog overnight, but overall most likely won't see that. And we'll see mostly sunny skies by tomorrow morning. Our tides are currently running normal. And looking at Tuesday into Wednesday, Tuesday mostly sunny and pleasant, high of 67. Tuesday night mostly clear to partly cloudy, a low of 50. And for Wednesday, partly cloudy and warm, a low of 72 degrees. Green charts across the board for Tuesday and Wednesday. The next 7 days, as I mentioned here, no chance of precipitation through Sunday as it appears right now. Temperatures in the 60s for today and tomorrow, and then we'll see above normal temperatures, with well above normal temperatures expected from Thursday through Sunday. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. We'll see some inland locations. Looks like they'll possibly be in the lower 80s for Friday or Saturday and even into Sunday. So well above average for this time of year. Our overnight lows well above average by the end of the week. But some really nice fall conditions across the region with those warmer temperatures, as well as not seeing much wind as well across the region for later this week. So some nice weather, lots of sunshine in store. I hope everybody's able to enjoy this weather coming up. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We're back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.